Hello, my name is Colin LeGraley. I am owner, managing director of Aztec Label Limited. Aztec produces self-adhesive labels and tag products. We do those on rolls and sheets and in all sorts of varying quantities from just a few thousand to millions, hundreds of millions. We've been working with Fujifilm for many years now. We felt it was important to choose a good, solid brand. Fujifilm are that solid brand. We felt that was important. It's a good representation to our customers how serious we are about what we do.
We've worked with Fujifilm for a long time now. We have their LuXtreme LED Curing System, some LED curable inks, flexo plate making equipment, and their flexo plate material as well.
We had the LuXtreme LED system installed in May this year, 2024. It's been a very good system. It's a good, easy installation. Its performance is very, very good. The operators like the simplification of the system.
The responsive time of the LEDs are perfect. They're just on the money. They're just there, ready and usable. The way we work, as soon as I'm ready to instigate them, I can just literally touch and they're there. It's touch control for everything. The temperatures are great, so low at the minute, we're not running high like we used to. Once we put an ink to any kind of material, we can, within seconds, we're drying it. There's no delay whatsoever.
One of the main reasons we chose to go down the LED route was purely for the energy saving, to make a right statement as a company to save power. And we chose to set a test bed model where we tested a particular job in certain parameters on the UV system, and then we are now moving that to the LED system and copying that, and with our own purchased test equipment, we've shown 63% less power, which is significant.
Energy prices have skyrocketed. LED compared to UV curing brings the rate at which you're consuming energy right down drastically. So we're paying at the moment the same for energy as we were circa 10 years ago, and we're 3 times as big, and the energy prices are astronomically more.
We can regulate what kind of energy we're using and consumption and longevity of the lamps, individual lamps, so we're saving in effect.
We're expecting to have a very low maintenance on the LuXtreme. Our UV systems, you would always have to have lamp changes, which could become annual routine even if they didn't fit their hours. That is costly, it's time consuming. We're not expecting that with the LED. We're expecting many, many, many years trouble-free, maintenance-free. You know, it's got to be tried and tested as yet, but that is the expectation, and we expect it to happen. We are looking at significant growth over the next several years, with major investments made already to help with that, and we are excited that Fujifilm will be joining us on that journey.